Now suppose I've asked you to find me the line that passes through the point 4, 5 that happens to be parallel to this line. So we see problems like this a lot in Algebra 1. They're pretty typical Algebra 1 questions. We don't need this given line for anything except its slope. What we want is the equation of the line that passes through the point 4, 5. Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to go through this point, our line. I don't know what its slope is. Maybe it looks like this, maybe it looks like this, maybe it looks like this. I don't know. Because I don't know what its slope is until I have found the slope of the given line. This line that's in the box here, all I need to take away from this is its slope. I want my new line to be parallel to that line. I don't know what the slope of that line is yet. You can start doing these in your head. Plan ahead on how you would get that slope. You'd subtract the 2x and then divide by that -4. If you can do that in your head now, great. I still have a little trouble with that, so I'm going to write it out. Minus 2x gives me -4y equals minus 2x plus 9. And then I'll divide by that -4. And now I can see that slope, -2 over -4, which is 1/2. My original line was y equals 1/2 x plus 9/4. And that, oh, nope, sorry, minus 9/4. And I don't really need that line. I could put it on the graph. It's a little troubling. -9/4 is -2 1/4 with a slope of 1/2. So I'd end up just below the line each time. But again, I don't really need that original line. What I'm looking for is a line that passes through this big point 4, 5 that has that same slope, which would be up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Now, a couple ways we can get the equation of that line. One way is to continue to count back until we end up finding out what the y-intercept is. There it is, it's 3. My equation should be y equals 1/2 x plus 3. We could also flash back to last week, the video I gave you last week, about that thing called the point slope formula. We'll talk more about that in class. Y equals m times x minus x1 plus y1. And again, with this formula, what we do is we leave y and we leave x in the equation and we fill in the other 3 things. So y, my variable, stays. My slope, 1/2. X stays. And that x1 and y1, they're the coordinates of our given point. So x minus 4 plus 5. And if I distribute, that's y equals 1/2 x. 1/2 times minus 4 is minus 2 plus 5. Also gives me y equals 1/2 x plus 3.